Hey, what's up? This is Ryan Hoover with Fit to Fight, and this is your Fit to Fight fix. Okay, so from top mount, people lose straight armbar a lot from this position. Usually they lose it just because in the transition from here to falling into the straight armbar, this person sits up on them. So one way we'll look to kind of at least impede that is when I go to gather this arm up and I kind of get my high mount, I'm going to not allow her to look at me. So I'm going to post on her face as I go to transition to this straight armbar. But what happens a lot of times from here is this, exactly what Amber is doing here. So starting to look to defend and kind of keep me from breaking this. So there's a lot of stuff we can do. I can straighten this leg and start bouncing her head off the floor, and a lot of times that'll do it, or I can stick this foot in here. But we're gonna be a little bit meaner. I'm gonna go grab my own bicep this way. So I wanna cinch all of this up, I'm gonna grab my own bicep. I wanna get the blade of my forearm into her forearm and her bicep. And then I'm gonna take this hand to her wrist, and I'm gonna cinch all of this up and press this down, and there's my release. It may be that once I get here, I can just fall straight back into that armbar and go ahead and finish it. But usually they're letting go so they can tap because of this. If it's a big, strong person, I'm having a really hard time finishing it, it's not happening with this, then I'm gonna take the leg that's over the head or near the head, I'm gonna go over her wrist, triangle, and now do the same thing. So this is countering the armbar counter. So one more time. Go drill it. Hope you enjoyed that fix, and welcome to the Fit to Fight Republic.